I won't beg you, but still I'm confused in the choice that you've made. 'Cause every time we touched, I could feel your love, and you said that you want me this way. Now you've changed your tune like a phase of the moon, and I told you that I will not take you back. You have made her bed, now lay your head. Don't regret it, 'cause you can't come where I'm heading you. You have a fickle heart, should have seen this from the start, that I wanted this to be real now. I am left to contemplate if you made a mistake, 'cause I was so convinced this couldn't be fake. No, no, no.